Guys, I really want to thank you for your time. I know it's very valuable to you, and I promise you I'm going to do this with transparency and no fluff. Just get to the point. I'm offering this workshop because I know many people are struggling. I've been doing this for 25 years. I take it easy. I have the most laid back life, not because I'm mega rich, but because I know how to get clients, and I get as many as I want. I don't hoard it. I don't focus on just diving to get more and more and more. I focus more on the finesse of how to do it with various industries. And that's why I'm picking you 5 guys. I really appreciate you, Dr. Furby, for being involved in this. Dr. Luis, Engineer Sean, I appreciate you. I know you're flying in all the way from California. I promise you I'm not going to waste your time, and you're going to leave, I know for a fact, with the best workshop you've ever attended in your life, because these skills are going to transform your business and the way you look at everything when it comes to marketing. And one of the takeaways, well, there's going to be many takeaways for this workshop. And this is, before we get started with the workshop, I want to cover a few things that you guys are going to need to bring to the workshop so you can be aware of it. My goal in this workshop is to teach you everything. I could teach you how to build a website from scratch in 15 minutes, but it's a lot of technical stuff that your mind will get boggled with too much information, and you won't really pay attention to the rest of the seminar or the workshop. So what I want to do is I want you guys to be able to say you're in, take care of your fees for the workshop, and I will send you all this stuff preliminary so we don't have to wait for the workshop. I can send you guys information now, the prerequisites, like you need your .com and your hosting company, and I'll provide those links to you. They are the best since I've been doing this for 25 years, and so I definitely endorse them. And yes, I do have affiliates with them, so I will get commissions if you get hosting with them. And the bigger the package you get, the more commissions you get. But I want you to get the small package first so you can learn the system. Then as you add, you upgrade your hosting. So we're talking no big deal here. It's simple, stuff. And so once you have your hosting and your .com, I'm going to send you a video on the software so you can start practicing the website and learning how to build your website. I'm going to show you how to rank it #1 before you come to the workshop. And all this other stuff. That way, when you get here, we'll focus on the marketing and the production of your video. I'll send you guys scripts of what to do prepare for your videos when you get here, so you know what to say on your commercial video for your marketing, and the video when they get to your website, and of course the third video to close the deal, to make sure that your website runs as automated as possible, to keep you from having to waste time answering a bunch of questions. I'm going to show you all this stuff in this workshop, but when you leave the workshop, you're going to leave with the fully functional website that's going to rank on top of the search engines, that's going to be able to come out on the maps with Google. I'm going to tell you all the things you need for that in advance in the student prerequisite list. Right now it's like this, but all of this is just notes for all the stuff that I'm putting together for you guys. And this is why, the list is endless. I'll show you guys some pictures of this stuff. It's a lot of stuff to cover, and we don't have a lot of time to focus on too much information in one day. So I'm going to cram this course, seminar, workshop into the most simplest way to explain it. I'm going to give you guys an opportunity to ask all the questions that I don't address, so that we can make the next course for the next students more pleasant, because all those questions that you have that I take for granted because I already know, I'll be able to address those in the next lucky people that I get to obviously show how to do this sort of stuff. And this way you can focus on your business, on your niche. You don't have to be taken for a ride with all these seminars that you go online. I'm here in El Paso. You can talk to me. You can call me. I can guide you through the process on every aspect of the workshop. Let's not get too friendly and start talking politics and all that other stuff. To me, it doesn't matter. Let's just keep focused on what we need to learn. But I'll help you guys with all kinds of stuff, with whatever you need. Video, audio. When you guys come to the shop, I'm gonna show you guys a few things to relax you so that you can sit in front of the camera. I know both of you doctors are ready on the camera and you're very good in front of it. Pat, I don't know how well you do, but it doesn't matter. That's why we have this workshop, to show you how to break that. And so the workshop fees is $1,000. I could tell you at the very end, or I could tell you right now, it's $1,000. And it's peanuts. But it's expensive if you don't know what you're going to get. And to be honest with you, when I sell websites, I sell them for $5,000. And you're going to get one complete by the time you leave the seminar. So that alone saves you 80% on the website fees. For videos, I charge $1,500 each. As you can see, the quality of them, and that's the reason why. And you could also hear the audio, which totally changes everything. And if you want it to get better, check this out. See, now it's going to sound really crisp and clear because the mic was behind me, but now it's right in front of me, and now we're getting into business. So then what we need is how we're going to put your script together, how we're going to target your audience. Each one of you has a different industry, and I'm going to show you guys all the same principles that apply to any industry. That's why I don't want to just get doctors or just realtors or just engineers. It's universal to any business that practice it. It's same principles. And so I help you how to find the clients you want. And the key in this whole thing put together is that basically at the end of the workshop, you're going to leave with a fully functional website that I sell for $5,000. You get it for 80% off. You're going to leave with 3 videos that I sell for $1,500 a piece. You're going to leave with that. You're going to leave with going on the Google Maps, which that alone I charge $1,000 to set up companies to do that for them. You're going to get that. I'm going to also make your website come out on the first page on Google. Google charges $2,000 to $3,000 to put Google ads on the front results on the beginning of a search. So it says advertisement, advertisement, and then the organic searches. I usually always put my websites on the first page. Most of them come out on number 1. I'm not going to promise you that, but I can say that the ones that I built have always come out number 1. But just for the sake of transparency, I'm not going to say you're going to be number 1, because I can't say that, and then if something happens, then I'm whatever. But everything I do does work like that. I have testimonies of various clients, and you're going to leave with some goodies for the end of the seminar, and I have a big giant surprise for one of the people that attend the seminar. You're going to get a cap and a t-shirt. That way when you leave with all these superpowers and somebody asks you, what the heck did you do? Where did you learn all this stuff? You can proudly say, I learned it on none of your business.com. Not really, not like that. It's more like, I learned it on none of your business, man. And then pause for 4 seconds and see their face reaction. And if you have a chance before they punch you out, say .com. But if you don't want to create tension, just say NOYBM.com, because when usually people tell others where they learned it, they get offended. But people are excited. I mean, I learned it on none of your business, man. You did. It just doesn't sound quite friendly. So thus NOYBM.com. NOYBM, none of your business, man. That's what it stands for. Again, if you guys are totally into this, then I know you're going to really enjoy this. I get to the point, I'm talking a lot right now, but on the seminar, we have an itinerary and we go step by step as to what time we're going to do what, and we stick to the book so that we can finish the workshop in time. You get to take a USB key with all the videos and everything that we discuss in the workshop with you. So whatever we say in the workshop, and a full voice recording of 6 hours long. And whenever you have questions, write the timeline of the workshop, and then just go to the recording and go to that section and listen to it again. Very easy to be able to research with this sort of methods. But the main key again is I want to help you guys. You guys are my 5 special guests. I'm going to treat you like royalty, I promise. I'm going to give you a lot of secrets that I don't share, that I've kept for over 25 years. And that's why my life is easy when it comes to the internet dominance. I've been doing this for a very long time. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm like a clientaholic. I want more and just like that. But I decided to do this more to fine tune it, to try different industries, and then be able to conquer these crazy obstacles. I am into challenges. Not necessarily the same challenge you think or the ones you would assume, but in different angles, just, selling hair extensions and getting millions of hits and hundreds of thousands of sales. Stuff like that. It's awkward items. But if you offer engineering, if you offer medical services, if you offer marketing services, this will take your agency to a steroid level. And if you have all these companies asking you that they'll advertise for you, you can just smile and say, I know how to do it right. I learned from the guy that started learning this stuff since the beginning of the internet. And I learned it on yourbusinessman.com. See? Say it quick so you don't get in trouble, because you could get hurt for your excitement to share where you learned it. Or keep it a secret like everyone else used to. For me, it was like, hey, where did you learn how to do that? And then they would say, none of your business, man. I'm like, come on, you can tell me. And basically they sent me there, but it never existed. And many of you have been sent there too, and it didn't exist, but it exists now. And it's available for you. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope this really helps you understand what you're going to take away. I'm going to show you how to make your videos, what to include. The workshop book is going to have step by step as to what's your idea, who are you targeting, how to engage with them, how to connect with them, how to be able to get them to trust you, how to get them to be able to buy from you, and how to keep them as long-term clients, how to follow up on them. That's for another section. Everybody has their own methods of doing that. That's another course for another workshop. It's too much for one event. So we focus on, you have an idea, we create a website, we create your marketing, we put you out to target the right audience in Facebook, the right perfect audience, and then you get a ton of calls, and ta-da, you're done. Now, if you want to scale, that's something else. But at least to get you going where there's more than you can handle, because there's plenty for everybody. And I want to share that with you. I appreciate your time, like I said, and I will not waste your time. I really thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I know that you guys are going to leave very happy and blown away by the things I'm going to teach you. So thank you for listening, and we'll see you guys at the workshop. And remember, just a few items that I'm going to need from you are going to be, your .com is going to have to be registered. Means you go to GoDaddy and register there. I can give you the link for my affiliate so you can help me out with affiliate commissions, because whether you buy it from me or directly, you're going to pay the same price. So as I'm helping you, it would be nice if you wait for my link. If you already bought yours, that's fine. I have about 60 .coms, so you may want to buy others, but in the future, just consider that. I'm not trying to hide that I'm not getting commissions. I want you to know. That is how I make money. You're going to need hosting service. The best hosting, the stuff that I actually use. I teach you all this other stuff. You're going to get to pick one service and one product that you offer. So if you offer 10 services, pick one. We're only going to focus on one, because if you can master that one, then you can apply it to the other 10. But don't put them all in one shop. And your commercial is going to consist of one service or one product, not both. So consider very carefully what you choose to learn. I would recommend, just like I told the hair extensions guy, promote the thing that makes you the most money. That's what we push, which is the hardest, right? That's how we do it, just to make it fun. So then the other thing we're going to need from you is your name and your logo. Should you have any graphics done, we can prepare all that stuff before you get here, so we can just put it on the website and not spend 10 hours trying to decide what logo you're going to use. If not, we'll use text for logo for the meantime. When I say I'm going to build you the website, I say I'm going to build you the website. I'm not going to do all the graphics and all this other crazy stuff. That's a graphics. I'm showing you how to get clients, how to produce the video, and here we'll produce the videos, and you'll get this quality on your videos. And the graphics can be outsourced, and we do have a team that can offer those services. And then you're gonna have I need your complete contact info, your phone number, your address, so we can put you on the Google Maps, and of course your workshop has to be paid for. And I'm gonna give you the software when you get here, and a USB key that you're gonna need to put all these projects together, downloading all this other stuff. Voice recorder app, so you yourself can record this webinar, or actually this is not a webinar, this is the workshop. Hands-on training, shoulder to shoulder, and I'm watching exactly what you're doing, and literally touch your hand and show you where to click if I have to. but my courses are very smooth to follow. I zoom in even if you watch them on your phone, so you don't have to squint to see what I'm clicking at. I zoom in where I click and show you exactly what I do. And I don't say any technical terms, as I haven't said any since I started talking, just so that you understand that, we have the same language. I do recommend, but may not be required, your logos and artwork, your pictures before and afters, and your media kit, should you have anything that you have released to the media, testimonies, media kit videos that you've done in the past, anything that you have in your possession, bring it to me today. Well, not today, but when you show up, or email it to me so I can prepare it for you. That way, when you come to the workshop, your videos are edited. I got the best clips, so we can put you in front of the camera and use those videos to make your presentation more alive. Your personal story, as to tell me, in a short story, why did you start this niche? Why did you got you into this business? I'll go through that to the stuff I send you again before the workshop, so you can be prepared with this. Your price list for price adjustments. We're going to raise your prices and then discount them. All kinds of fun stuff. We're going to explain sales, the basic concept behind it, and of course a bunch of other little bonuses. So all this stuff is what's included in this workshop. I have never offered a deal like this to the public before, because with the websites and the videos that I charge the companies about $10,000 to $30,000 for these projects. Normally it's about $10,000 to $12,000 for the production, and I charge double that for the marketing services. So it's $30,000 for all of that, what I charge the customer. But I justify it by telling them, if you just pay Google $30,000, they're just going to put your website on the first page for a year, and that's it. But you still have to build the website. You still have to create the videos. You still figure out how to do marketing. And that's what Google charges you, just to put you on the first page. I'm telling you. So basically, I sell these packages for companies. I know, doctor, you asked me if you wanted to build a website because you're starting your own show as well. Well, that's what I charge if you hire me. But with this workshop, you walk out of this workshop with all of these goodies. Even if you don't learn the marketing, even if you don't learn anything, you basically get to take your website for the price of the workshop. But you get gold with this stuff. So consider all this, what I'm telling you. I know it's a lengthy introduction because there's a lot of things, and I covered the things you're going to need and all that stuff. And if you still have more questions, please feel free to text me or call me or message me on Facebook, Eddie Barretti, EDDIE-BARRETTI, Eddie Barretti, RRT. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys at the workshop, and let's get this show on the road. We don't have to wait for the workshop to get started. All you have to do is believe in me, as others have, and you will be able to be on your way, and 2020 can be a whole new era for you. Believe me, please. So thank you so much again for your time. Love you.